Hey you want a beer? A beer is so super American, President Ben Franklin was drinking it the night he invented electricity.
Totally bitchin', dude!
It's brewed with the red, white, and blue drippings of touchdowns and town halls.
All in favor of Prop 168?
It's the secret ingredient in Meemaw's apple pie. The rocket fuel used to put a man on the moon. It's literally the 28th Amendment. A beer by the people and for the people. Regular folks like Jesse.
I'm a regular gal.
Alex.
I'm a regular guy.
And Meemaw.
I'm super regular. Come at me, bro.
So whether you live in America, or the good old US of A, have yourself an A beer, and then have yourself another. Light, crisp, refreshing. A beer, super American premium lager. Hey, those are mine.